The origins of smoke detectors.
Smoke detectors have roots in early fire detection efforts. In the 1930s, Swiss physicist Walter Jaeger accidentally discovered that his invention, meant to detect poison gas, could sense smoke. This led to the first ionization-based smoke detectors, setting a foundation for safer homes worldwide.
Bringing smoke detectors to homes.
For decades, smoke detectors remained too expensive for widespread use. That changed in the 1960s when advances in electronics made compact designs possible. By the 1970s, affordable smoke detectors hit the market, making this life-saving technology a new standard in home construction.
How smoke detectors work.
Smoke detectors typically use one of two methods: ionization or photoelectric detection. Ionization detectors sense tiny particles from flaming fires, while photoelectric detectors use light beams to detect smoldering fires. Many modern detectors combine both technologies, offering broader and faster fire detection for increased safety.
Impact on home safety.
Since becoming common in homes, smoke detectors have greatly reduced fire-related deaths. Early warning gives people time to escape and call for help. Statistics show that homes with working smoke detectors are less likely to experience fatal fires, making these devices crucial for modern safety.
Continued innovation and the future.
Today's smoke detectors are more advanced than ever. Features like wireless connectivity, smart home integration, and long-life batteries make them even more reliable. As technology progresses, smoke detectors will continue evolving, helping keep families safe for generations to come.